In the 24 car, that's the Blackhawks car. It's Ryan Finley inside row 3, the 33 of Jordan Caskey. Outside of Jordan Caskey, number 1, Scott Kerner. And in the 21, that is Chris Adrian. They come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Bill Horn with an early lead. Here comes Amon. Here comes Caskey. As Orseski is dropping to the back. Scott Kerner is coming around to challenge for third as he gets around Caskey. Chris Adrian making his move now. Chris Adrian looking for that third spot as well.
Nice move by Scott Kerner in turns 3 and 4. He cut from high to low and got himself in the second spot.
As Tom Amon leads them around. It's single file racing with Amon, Kerner, Bill Horn, and Adrian.
Yeah,
Adrian just hit the back of Bill Horn. Look out!
And he was making some good moves in that 21 car from starting in the back.
Adrian, the 2018 most improved driver last year for the division. Here comes Caskey looking to the inside of Adrian.
And in the meantime, it's the 2-1 car of Amon and Kerner going at it.
Kerner looking to the inside as the outside didn't work. Whoa, it's Kerner and Amon side by side as they almost touched with those open wheel cars. Kerner with a slight lead coming around, 1 to go.
Could be just enough for Kerner.
Looks like Kerner turned the turbo on as he's coming around to take the win. Followed by Amon, Caskey, Bill Horn, Adrian, and Finley will round out your field of 6, and then following by Doug Orseski out of Frankfort, Illinois.
That is Scott Kerner's second heat win out of 3. The other heat winner is the number 10 of Bill Horn. Scott Kerner has also been the top qualifier the last 2 times here at the Rockford Speedway.
Scott Kerner, a visitor in the super late model division. Please give it up for number 1, Scott Kerner! The first driver to get out of his car to take the photo on Magic Pool Splash Night here at the Rockford Speedway as we celebrate Pepsi Night. Kids are in free.